This right here is my 1994 Nitro Bass boat, and well, we've been restoring it for the last almost 3 months now, but I got some good news. The carpet, as you can see, we ripped out all the carpet, all of it right there. It's finally here, and we can finally start getting ready to build this thing back to where it was when I first got it, but without the disgusting carpet that I had right away and brand new carpet. But let's jump right into it. Let me show you the new carpet, and let's get carpeting this whole thing. All right, guys, got the carpet all laid down, as you can see right here. It is a nice dark gray instead of that puke color, which was supposed to be like a red, but it was not even close to red. But this dark gray is gonna look perfect on this boat. But I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna start grabbing some of the stuff to lay down and cut out and get it on the boat. This 6700 inside out indoor outdoor glue, which I'm gonna slap on right here in this outline, right where the top of that panel is gonna go. And so yeah, let's open this glue up and let's start gluing these things up so we can get this carpet all finished and get this boat wrapped up after about 2 months. But here goes nothing. Well, just like that, the first one, and then there's the second one. They're both done, fully covered in glue, now just sitting on the carpet. This one's got paint buckets, this one's got weights to hold it down, and hopefully they'll set perfect, and we can go slap them right in the boat after this. But I guess I'll check in when they're done. Well, guys, it's been a pretty slow process, but these two that we started last night are officially done. We have 4 new panels right there, or compartment covers right there. All of them, all cut out. And then we have 2 more that are already glued up. But we're gonna put these 4 down, put these paint buckets and weights on top of them. And hopefully we will have the compartment covers all done here very soon. And just like that, guys, all of these are glued up. Every single compartment top is glued on. And so now we just have to let them dry and then fold up the sides and we can go slam them in the boat. And hopefully we can do that very soon. But I think this video is gonna be long enough, and there's still so much more on this boat to do before it's finished that I think I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you wanna see how the compartments fully look and the boat fully carpeted, it will be in the next video next week. So with that being said, thank you for watching. And also don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. And if we do hit 25,000 subs by the end of the year, we are giving away this boat. So don't forget that. And thank you guys, and we'll see you next week.